Last summer, I worked with Dr. Carlsten from the University of British Columbia. And he's really interested in how air pollution affects our lung health, particularly in people with chronic respiratory diseases, so people with asthma, for example. And so my project was focused on a specific type of white blood cell called neutrophils, which are kind of like the first responders of our immune system. So they help protect us against infections. And we think they might be involved in our response to air pollution. And I think this research is just really important because asthma is becoming more common, especially with urbanization and increasing amounts of air pollution in urban areas. And I mean, everyone's exposed to air pollution, so I think it kind of is important for everybody. So actually, the studentship was my first time working in a wet lab, which is what made it so great for me. It was a really awesome opportunity. So I just got to learn some of the basic skills in the wet lab. I learned isolating certain cell types out of the blood, and flow cytometry was another big skill that I learned. So for me, I think it was really important because I was changing disciplines. So I did my undergrad in kinesiology at the University of Toronto, and I had been accepted into this program at UBC in experimental medicine, and it was a big change, and the summer studentship just really gave me an opportunity to get acquainted in the wet lab and learn some of those skills that I was going to be using in my master's. So I felt like when the master's started, I was just able to hit the ground running. I think it's also a really good opportunity to build your CV as a young scientist. So I would really encourage anybody to apply to it because I think it actually helped me get funding later on in the program. Just it helps you stand out from other young students. So.